Good morning, boys and girls. Before you graph the weather today, I'm going to ask you to look in your green homework folder. In there, you will find your March, April summary and hypothesis sheet, and then a new weather graph for April that is a different color of green, sort of a turquoise green color. We're going to work with those in just a minute. I'm going to put the folder out of the way. And then I've got Spotty Cat here to help me look at the weather. And if you can see, there is sunshine, but it's also cloudy. There is a little bit of blue sky up there, but it's kind of hard to catch because the sun is so bright. There is no wind right now, though, for me. So right now, what I'm going to do is just put a dot right here on partly cloudy. All right, I'm done with that. So this is where, though, you're going to put in now your March, April weather graph, summary, and hypothesis. So what that's going to look like, you have to lift those little prongs at the top right there, and you're going to feed this on, and then push back those prongs to where they were, okay? And then you're going to answer these questions. So the first question at the top is, circle the weather that you observed most frequently in March. So I'm going to look back at my chart, and I can see, windy is the one that I saw the most. So then I have to circle windy, okay? And then it says, circle the weather that you observed the least frequently in March. And so I did have one cloudy day, partly cloudy, rainy. So just stormy and snowy. So those are the ones we didn't have any at all that I was able to graph. So I'm going to go to this and do stormy and snowy. And then my hypothesis for March, circle the weather you predicted you would observe most frequently in March. To find that information, I have to go and look one sheet below and see what I did on number 4 last month. I said that I would see partly cloudy and windy. I thought that those two might tie. So I said partly cloudy and windy. And actually, if you look, it was windy, so that one was correct. So I'm going to give that one a check. That one did happen. Okay, then it says my hypothesis for, and that should say April there. I made a mistake, so I'm just going to cross it out and write the word April there, which is A-P-R-I-L. So you can go ahead and take the time to do that right now on yours. Okay, you can pause the video if you need more time, because then it says, circle the weather you think you will observe most frequently in April. Well, I'm going to look over here at my chart, and I'm going to look and see, well, what happened? I got a lot of windy last month. Sunny, I had 5 sunnies, partly cloudy, You know, even though windy won, I'm going to say that maybe it's going to be getting less windy. I don't know. We're hitting warmer months. So for me, I'm going to say partly cloudy. I'm just going to say that one, although I might be wrong. It might be that we get a lot more sunny days this month because it's getting warmer. We're in the spring now. Okay, so then when you're done, there's one more thing that you need to do. You need to take this, your new chart for April, because tomorrow is going to be the first day of April. You're going to lift those prongs at the top and slip that on there, and then that will be ready to go for tomorrow. Pretty exciting. And you'll see on there is a little picture at the top of Palm Sunday, and then there's a picture at the top over there of Good Friday, which both are going to be happening in April. All right, boys and girls, thank you for staying with me for this longer video today and graphing your weather.